Home Remedies presents
How to erase brain fog with 3 supplements and get crystal clear memory. Hello and welcome. Ever felt like you're moving through life with a cloud in your head? Maybe you walked into a room and forgot why, burned dinner because you left the pan on the stove, or couldn't remember what you went to the store to buy. That frustrating mental haze is called brain fog, and the good news is, there are practical steps you can take to clear it. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments, from which city and country are you watching my video today? Have you ever struggled with brain fog yourself? 1. Ditch wheat completely. Gluten in wheat can trigger gut inflammation that slows brain function. How to do it? Cut wheat entirely for a few weeks. Replace with rice, corn, beans, almonds, or gluten-free breads. Expected result: sharper focus and clearer thinking within weeks. 2. Avoid processed and preserved foods. Preservatives and additives cause subtle inflammation that harms memory and focus. How to do it? Stick to fresh, natural foods. Make your own sauces, buy fresh vegetables, and keep meals simple. Expected result: better mental clarity and less sluggishness over time. 3. Prioritize deep, consistent sleep. Missing even 6 hours of quality sleep can impair memory and focus the next day. How to do it? Keep a set bedtime, darken your room, and consider natural helpers like melatonin or taurine with medical guidance. Expected result: a brain that feels refreshed and alert in the morning. 4. Try magnesium threonate. This form of magnesium crosses the blood-brain barrier, supporting neurons and slowing age-related decline. Dosage: start with 400 mg daily, gradually increase up to 2,000 mg if tolerated. Timing: take with meals, adjust based on how your body responds. Expected result: sharper focus and improved memory with consistent use. 5. Harness coenzyme Q10. CoQ10 boosts mitochondrial energy, fueling sharper thinking and better memory. Dosage: begin with 100 mg daily, usually after breakfast. Expected result: more mental energy and focus, especially when combined with good diet and sleep. 6. Load up on omega-3. EPA lowers inflammation. DHA builds neuron structure. Together they support mood and clarity. Dosage: aim for at least 1,000 mg of EPA and 1,000 mg of DHA daily. How to do it? Read supplement labels carefully. Sometimes multiple capsules are needed. Expected result: better mood, less anxiety, and a clearer mind. 7. Don't forget physical activity. Movement delivers oxygen and nutrients to your brain, reduces stress, and boosts clarity. How to do it? Combine aerobic exercise, walking, cycling, with resistance training, weights or body weight. Expected result: improved focus and resilience, just as important as diet and supplements. Conclusion: you don't have to live under a mental cloud or accept memory lapses as normal. Start with the basics. Cut wheat, skip processed foods, get real sleep, and move your body. If you're still not feeling clear, supplements like magnesium threonate, CoQ10, and omega-3 can give your brain the extra push it needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs this information, and subscribe for more natural health tips. And don't forget, where are you watching from today, and would you try these remedies yourself?